moving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you've gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right, from the day to night. Energy, feel the breeze. Energy, feel the breeze.
Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head, all the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon calm, like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Blue horizon calm, safe within your palm. Feel the ocean breeze bring you to your ease. Guitar whispers through the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline deep but barely there, still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon,
shade and the sea. Gentle waves, steady sound, pieces all that's around. Every second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time. Life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide. No more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Guitar playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Sunrise painting golden skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Neon light, island night, yeah. Palm trees glowing in the dark, neon colors leave a mark. Ocean shining black and blue, all I see is me and you. Midnight breeze, electric air, music floating everywhere. Slow motion in the sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat sinking with the beat. No control, let it go, let the night just take you slow. Island neon night, under flashing lights, let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Echo guitar and delay, floating through the night this way. Bassline heavy, smooth and deep, pulling secrets that we keep. Every step just feels alive, leaving all the world behind. In this glow we come alive, feel the midnight vibe. Time dissolves into the sound, no more edges, no more ground. In the space we're drifting free, lost in pure intensity. Island neon nights, under flashing lights, let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Endless summer drift away. Days that never seem to end, moments we don't need them in. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue, every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time, everything just feels alive. Close your eyes, feel it near, nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be, drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift, feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift, moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, stream, we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow. Drift away, slow. Yeah. Good morning, island floor. Sunrise painting golden skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow, we can see life is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, Life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide. No more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside with the turning tide. It's our playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside with the turning tide. Easy, drifting slow. Lazy, drifting slow. Yeah, listen close. Waves don't lie. Waves rolling, tell the truth. Every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open sky. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fear.
need to mend. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue. Every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time. Everything just feels aligned. Close your eyes, feel it near. Nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be. Drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift. Every moment shift moves your soul so free. Where you're meant to be. Echo guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift. Every moment shift moves your soul so free. Where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow.
Yeah. Feel that heartbeat. Heartbeat sinking with the bass. Feel the rhythm in this place. Every step and every move, locked into that island groove. Sun above, no clouds in sight. Everything just feels so right. Let it take control of you. Nothing else you gotta do. Feel it rise, feel it fall. Let the rhythm take it all. No more thinking, just the vibe. Let your body come alive. Island heartbeat flow. Let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Guitar skank so crisp and clean, dancing through the sunny scene. Steel drums add a little spark, lighting up inside your heart. Bassline bouncing nice and round, spreading love without a sound. Every moment feels so free. That's the island energy. No beginning, no end, just the rhythm we depend. In this groove we understand, life is better coasting on a sunny line, leaving all the world behind. Simple rhythm, simple tone, feels like I am finally home. Ocean breeze and golden light, everything just feels so right. Every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loose, let it play, take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound, let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soaring wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. It's our skank, just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Baseline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day. Let it carry you away. Round and round, the feeling goes like a song you always know. In this cycle, you can see this is pure simplicity. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soothing wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line, floating through your mind. Loop again, again. Neon light, island night, yeah. Palm trees glowing in the dark, neon colors leave a mark. Ocean shining black and blue, all I see is me and you. Midnight breeze, electric air, music floating everywhere. Slow motion in the sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat sinking with the beat. No control, let it go, let the night just take you slow. Island neon nights, under flashing lights, let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights. space we're drifting free, lost in pure intensity. City noise, traded in for simple joys. Island calling, hear the sound. Good vibes always all around. Sun is shining, spirits high. No more stress, just let it fly. Every beat just lifts you up. Feel your soul and fill your cup. Let it go, leave it behind. All the weight inside your mind. Sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm escape. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Oh. Steel drums laughing in the air. Feel the freedom everywhere. Guitar skank so crisp and clean. Living out a simple dream. Bassline bouncing nice and round. Heartbeat in the island sound. Nothing else we really need. Just this vibe to set us free. Dance along the shoreline breeze. Life is flowing with such ease. In this moment we can see this is how it's meant to be. Escape. Feel the weight. Hey. Oh, island rhythm escape. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm escape. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. shining soft and bright, dancing through the fading light, heartbeat moving with the bass, lost inside your warm embrace, ocean whisper in the back, keeping every moment intact, simple love, pure and free, that's our melody. When the sun goes down tonight, we still glow in amber light, even when the day is gone, this love keeps going on. Sunset lovers groove, got nothing to prove, let the music play till it fades away. Sunset lovers groove, every little move, feel the rhythm tight in the golden light, sunset glow. Love will flow, sunset glow. Sunset glow. Yeah, gather round. Beachside vibe, friends around, the vibe is right, laughing in the fading light, ocean breeze and music loud, good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop, feel the rhythm as it drops, every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat, sand beneath your dancing feet, let it go, feel the sound, good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection, feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Yeah. Beachside groove session, no regression, let the music play till the break of day. Steel drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment intact. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. Under stars we come alive, in this groove we all survive. Every heartbeat feels so true, sharing this with me and you. Beachside groove session, feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Yeah. this place. Ocean breeze therapy, set your spirit free, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze therapy, where you're meant to be, let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Palm trees sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more, just the waves along the shore. Deep bass moving nice and low, like the tide it comes and goes. Heartbeat sinking with the sound, pieces everywhere around. Let it wash away the pain, like a softened summer rain. In this moment you can see, this is where you're meant to be. Ocean air